I bow and pray to God and my Guru. Lord Shiva created human beings in the early period. After that, Lord Brahma took over the duty of creation. The duty of protection was taken by Lord Vishnu. Then Lord Shiva took over the duty of destruction. Once there was an argument between Lord Vishnu and Lord Brahma about the superiority between them. Then they went to Lord Shiva in order to find out who is superior between them. Lord Shiva decided to give a test to Lord Vishnu and Lord Brahma. That is, Lord Brahma should go and see the starting point of hair on Lord Shiva's head, and Lord Vishnu should go and see the ending point of Lord Shiva's hair. Lord Shiva told that whoever performs the test first is superior of two. Lord Vishnu and Lord Brahma agreed to Lord Shiva's test. Then Lord Shiva started to take his Visvarupam form. Lord Vishnu started to move downwards to find out the ending point of Lord Shiva's hair. Likewise, Lord Brahma started to move upward to find out the starting point of Lord Shiva's hair. Lord Shiva's hair started growing continuously. Even after reaching the Badala Logam, Lord Vishnu cannot reach the ending point of Lord Shiva's hair. Therefore, Lord Vishnu returned to Lord Shiva and said that he could not see the ending point of Lord Shiva's hair. He confessed his inability. Even after traveling for a long time upwards, Lord Brahma could not see Lord Shiva's starting point of hair. Lord Shiva's head kept on growing. Now screw pine flower, that is Talambu flower, was moving downwards on Lord Shiva's hair. Lord Brahma told the flower to tell a lie. That is, the flower should tell to Lord Shiva that Lord Brahma has seen the starting point of Lord Shiva's hair. The flower agreed to this. Then Lord Brahma and the flower went to see Lord Shiva. Lord Brahma lied to Lord Shiva that he had seen the starting point of his hair and the witness is the screw pine flower. The flower lied to Lord Shiva that Lord Brahma had seen the starting point of his hair. Lord Shiva got angry since he knows the truth. Lord Shiva told the flower that it was a lie that Lord Brahma had seen the starting point of his hair. Therefore, Lord Shiva told the screw pine flower that it was an unfit flower to be used for his pujas. Lord Shiva told Lord Brahma that being the creator, you have also lied and you should also be punished. Lord Brahma had 5 heads. Lord Shiva got angry and cut one head of Lord Brahma. Lord Shiva told Lord Brahma that there would be no temples for him on earth since he lied. After that, Lord Brahma had only 4 heads. Therefore, everyone should know what will happen if we tell lies. One will not get food if he tell lies is a proverb. That is why we should pray to Lord Shiva with fear and devotion. Lord Shiva will punish us if we do wrong. Therefore, there are numerous temples on earth for Lord Shiva who performs the duty of destruction. Robbing Lord Shiva's property will destroy the generation. When we visit Lord Shiva's temple, we should only take the vibhuti and religious offerings and not any other things. When we visit Lord Shiva's temple, we should sit down and meditate for some time after praying. If we do not sit down and return from the temple, then Lord Shiva's goblins, that is Bhudaganangal, will come with us. If we sit down and meditate after praying in Lord Shiva's temple, the goblins will stay in the temple and Lord Shiva will accompany us. Lord Shiva is a very kind God. Lord Shiva feeds all living creatures and human beings. If we pray with true devotion to Lord Shiva, He will be with us to lead a good life. So we should pray with true devotion. I am a devotee of God and Guru Sri Vijayakumar Chaitanya Swami. I hope you like this speech. With your support, I can upload many more video speeches. So please like, share, subscribe and click bell button to to this Vinayaka Muruga Guru channel. Thank you.